When I heard about this veggie, I was shocked to heard its benefit. This is basically a South Indian dish which they use in sambar. But today I am going to cook it as North Indian Punjabi style. So let's start. I have taken 3 long drumsticks, 3 potatoes. You can skip potatoes, but I am going to add to get quantity. To prepare tadka, I took 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green chilies and coriander. Now we will prepare tadka. Let's peel off all these ingredients and move to next step. Now we will transfer all these roughly chopped ingredients into a mixer grinder. To grind it not into puree, just chop them finely. Now add oil into deep pan, let it get hot. First we will fry cutted drumsticks and after this soak potatoes for 2 minutes. This process is very important to enhance its taste, and it also helps to cook it easily. Look at this, just this one step bring a really good color on drumstick. As we promote in thick channel to healthy yet tasty every day Indian recipes, we also try to keep our videos less long, but with proper explanations for recipes, so we can save your time as well as your money and health. So please watch our full videos to support us. As well, if you have any suggestions for us, we are more than happy to take them. So please leave your valuable comments on our videos. Now put aside slightly fried drumsticks and potato, and let prepare tadka. Use same oil and add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and curry leaves. I had dry curry leaves, but adding green curry leaves enhance taste more. Let them crackle and then add the grated onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Stir them and cover with lid for 3 to 4 minutes to get slightly cooked before adding masala. Now chop tomatoes side by side to add into the tadka. Here, our tadka has almost ready. We have covered it and let it cook on low flame. This is the best way to prepare tadka. When onion becomes translucent at this stage, we will add dry masalas such as turmeric powder, red chili powder and black pepper powder. Mix all dry masalas nicely and let them cook for a few minutes. In this way, these masalas release its taste. Look at the color of masala. This is the sign that you are doing it right way. I prefer to add black pepper powder because it helps to absorb all the nutrients from the food. If you think that tadka is being sticky, you can add little bit water into this to let it cook properly. Here I am going to a recent incident that happened to me. I make an easy recipe for Sunday. This was my first video that got views over 1K. But my one mistake ruined everything I had used a music in that video, and it for copyright claim. I had to remove that video and re-upload it, and this way I lost my all views. But now I have decided to use less music in my videos to avoid this kind of happens. After all, life is a story, and every lesson teaches you something that helps to survive. After adding tomatoes, add salt into masala. Always add salt after adding tomatoes. Salt helps our tomato get cooked, but tomatoes stop cooking of other ingredients such as onion, ginger, garlic. That is the reason we cook them all together before adding tomatoes. Cook it well and cover for a few minutes until it releases the oil. Stir the masala 2 to 3 times in this whole process and with until oil gets separated from masala. When oil gets separated, it is the sign that masala has cooked well now. When tomatoes got cooked well, it makes masala like a thick gravy, which helps to bring that authentic texture of any recipe. Now add garam masala after tomatoes get cooked well. When we add garam masala after tomatoes, it enhances the taste as well as add the aroma of taste into recipe. Chop coriander finely and add into masala, mix it 2 minutes. Here I try to create a transition, hope you like it. I am still on the journey to learn video making and editing. Making videos on YouTube helps me to learn a new skill while showing the skill that I already have. Now our masala is properly cooked and ready to add our main ingredients into this. Now we will add drumsticks and potatoes into tadka and mix it well to get coated properly on our drumsticks and potatoes. This recipe is best alternative for those who are vegetarian like me, to get all necessary nutrients. So make this recipe once in a week to support your nutrition requirements. If you want to keep it dry, cook it on low flames without adding water. But I am going to add water into this, as I prefer to eat this with rice and it tastes amazing. If you like this video, please drop a like and comment. Share this video to loved ones who you want to stay healthy. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.